What's up, everyone? So I've got this B2BFAB start-stop solution for Mk7, Golf R, GTI, Golf, Jetta, GLI. I've got a 2020 Golf. Wow, I've got a Golf now. 2020 GLI, Mk7 GLI. We're gonna put this guy in here. I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. So let me set you guys up, and we'll be right back. Alright, now that I got you guys set up, we're going to remove this piece here to get to the button setup here. That's all we gotta do. So this actually came with the kit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Get that out of the way. So it is this trim piece right here. No, at first I kind of accidentally went right there, but I meant to go right there. So that's gonna be how you do that. Get under there. Pop that out. Like so. Let me get a flashlight real quick so I can see what I'm doing. This is my first time doing this as well. So there's this little right over here on the side here. There's this little thing that you're gonna press in to be able to pull that out right there. So where did that piece go? So this piece here, this is how easy this is. So this piece right here, you're just gonna plug into there that you just unplugged. Like that. So it just plugs in like that. Just shove it back in. Down in the hole. There we go. I have to MacGyver it a little bit. Push it around. There we go. Like that. And then plug your switch. Plug your switches back in. Make sure they're nice and tight and secure. They're not falling out. Just like that. Plugs right back in. And you find your trim piece right over that. Put the trim piece back in. Go into these two little post piece here. Got two little sides. So one piece goes into there, one piece goes into there. Same so on the other side, and this piece goes right there in the middle. Line it up. Very good. Press it down. There you go. That's how you do that. Nice and easy. I'd say less than 5-minute install, honestly. So let's just test it out real quick. Grab my keys. Alright, now I got the keys. They're in the car now. So we're gonna turn the vehicle on. And voila. Now when you turn it on, it stays off. So I have to be off. So that's how you do the B2BFAB auto start, auto stop. Okay. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below.